Well guys, welcome back to the channel. You guys are going to be very happy because today we're finally working on the hatch. We have a lot of parts for this, so this is going to be a multiple day video, not because I can't do it in one day, but because my brother's getting married this Saturday. Today's Friday, so we're moving a lot of things. I just got out of work, that's why I have these glasses, because I have bags and it makes me look a little bit better. But we have a stack of parts. I've been buying parts all week. We're gonna make the Civic a little aggressive today. Yes, I should work on making it running, but I feel like making it a little bit more aggressive and mean is going to motivate me to spend the extra money on actually getting it running properly. So we're just gonna make it look cool for now. But enough talking, let's open up the boxes and show you what I got. So in here we have multiple boxes. I honestly don't even know what this is. We have another big box here. I think they might have sent me a gift because I only remember in ordering 2 things. Or maybe it's hardware, who knows, but we have another box here. What's in the box? Another box. And this I'll show you guys now because you're going to see it anyways. I am changing the lip on the Civic. This is called a CS styled lip, and as you can see, is very, very wide compared to the tiny one the Civic has now. Let's put it next to each other. But as you can see, this does not have the vents that the Civic has right here currently. So I feel like this one looks really, really good on the Civic. So I did buy a new lip. I'm gonna go throw it in the sun right now while we're unboxing the rest of the video, so this thing gets a better shape. It looks really, really good right now anyways. But there we go. That thing's gonna sit there a while, but I did get a new lip. I did get something else. We have the canards, we have the lip, we have the wheel, which I haven't decided, so keep that in mind. I haven't decided on that. Came with instructions. What's this? Let's see. That's my information. Who knows? Doesn't really. Oh, it does explain how to put the lip. Okay, so this is for the lip, which we have right here. Okay, cool, blah blah blah. Yeah, you guys know me by now. Box numero 2. Let's open this bad boy up. What is this? I don't remember. Oh, okay, so these are actually lip winglets. I don't know if you guys ever seen these before, but these are called winglets and they go underneath the bumper. It's kind of like a canard. Oh wow, these are metal. I thought they were gonna be plastic. Oh, nice. All right, I'm happy about this. These are winglets. They go underneath the bumper like so, and it gives it a more aggressive look. I'll take one off in a second and put it on the lip I have now, just so you guys can get an idea of how it's supposed to go. This, I do not know what this is actually. So let's open this up. What is this? A cup? That's freaking awesome. What? You see? This is good detail to stuff, guys. Magic Drift. They sent me decals. Magic Drift Aerodynamics. They sent me this, and they sent me a cup. Wow, that's cool. I mean, it's something so simple, but that's cool. That's really cool. And we got a new decal for the Civic. Awesome. Cool. We have so much stuff to put on right now, so let's get started. All right, as you can see, I have everything pretty laid out. First off, the winglets. The winglets are actually made for the bumper we have over there. It's not made for this one because this one does not have, how do I say, it doesn't have enough coverage in order to install this, because this does go underneath the bumper. This actually ends right here. It does not have enough width to put the winglets on, but the winglets are gonna go on something like this. So part of the wing is gonna be coming out to the side here, and then we have the canards. These are not the ones I ordered, but they sent them anyways, but regardless, I don't care, they were cheap. We have a bottom one that's going to be like this, a small one, and then we have the bigger one. The bigger one's going to be something along the lines of this, my bad. These things confuse me all the time, like this. So we're gonna have a small one, a big one, then we're gonna have the lip itself, and after that we're gonna put the wheels on. So we're gonna install the wing, we're gonna install the little lip winglets, and we're gonna install the canards. And yes, this bumper is a little beat up, but it doesn't matter. This is gonna be more like my track bumper, and then we'll have another clean one. This one has a little scratch right here, but we're gonna paint it anyway, so I'm gonna send it out to get painted once it's all done. And I did cut a lot of holes in this thing, but the first step is I'm going to remove the bumper. That way I have easy access to the lip. So let's do that real quick. Well guys, the bumper is off, but before we continue with the video, if you guys want to support this build, if you want me to finish the hatch real quick and use very fancy parts on this, please go use my promo code, which is IrvingCZ. It's my name on Finishing Line's website. They told me if enough of you guys start buying their products, they'll keep giving me parts for this build. So if you guys want to support this channel, go buy something nice for your Civic. Go buy something nice for your car. Go buy a shirt if you don't have a Civic. But it's going to help me a lot, and it's going to be something very nice. So if you guys want something for your car, go get it from Finishing Line. Their prices are actually cheaper than eBay, and you'll be supporting me. But now that I'm done plugging the channel, let's start on the bumper. Well, as you can see guys, we did remove the old lip, which is this one right here. And the reason I'm putting a new one is because it's really not my style. I don't like the little vents. Plus, it's really tiny and scrawny. I like the bigger one, beefy one. It looks a little bit more aggressive, so we're going to put the big one on now. This one, I'll keep it in case if I ever buy another Civic or I try to resell a cheap Civic and want to make it nicer, I'll put this lip on and call it a day. Now, we're going to put this bad boy on and see how it looks. Wow, this thing looks so freaking good. This is exactly what I wanted. Doesn't this look so much better? It honestly even made the fog lights look even better. They made them look a little bit flush because there was a gap underneath here. The gap is completely gone now. This thing looks really good. Wow. Yep, this is exactly what I wanted. I fell in love with this lip when I saw it in a picture on Google. This thing looks good. As of right now, I did put the winglets under the bumper just so you can see where we're going with this look. New lip, new winglets. Now we need the canards and we're good to go. So they're still not on, they're just mounted underneath the bumper itself. But now you can probably see my vision. So new fog lights, new lip, new winglets, canards are next. Good morning guys, it's really early in the morning. I'm getting my day started. It's the next day. I have to get the units ready for tomorrow. I'm driving 4 hours to see if I can register it. I'm leaving really early in the morning, so I don't want to do anything tomorrow in the morning. We need to put gear oil in the transmission because there is a leak somewhere. I'm just gonna put enough to where if it leaks, I still have enough to get back home. I'm also putting tires on it as well. So yeah, let's get started on our day before it gets even later because I do work later, so let's get started. We're back at Ricardo's garage, and as you can see, the Unos is lifted up. I'm currently refilling it with gear oil. This thing is leaking quite a lot. If you can see this paper underneath the car, if I lift it, nothing but gear oil. Luckily, I feel like this lasts a couple days, so I'm gonna keep refilling it until it starts coming out the hole. Put it back down, and it should be good to go. This has been sitting for about 2 weeks, so tomorrow I'm taking it back to the DMV. I have just about everything, so hopefully I do get my American title for this. If not, I'm gonna be pretty freaking mad, but for now, we're gonna fill it up with gear oil, and hopefully I do not get stranded on the road because this is leaking quite a lot of gear oil. So I'm a little afraid, but I know everything will be fine. So well guys, it's the next day and I'm actually on the way to Palmetto to see if I can get my title. Like I said, again, I have everything they said last time that I needed, so hopefully this time we get it. I have about 30 more minutes to go. This thing is driving like a dream. Well guys, we have some really amazing news. As you can see here, my Unos is finally road legal, so let's go see that real quick. Everything went really smoothly. I have my title, I have insurance, I have a plate. Literally, this thing, it's road legal now, so I can drive this wherever I want. I can get pulled over now. This thing is legal. We have the tag, we have the license plate, and we have our American title. So actually this thing's gonna be gone for a while. It's sad that it's finally legal and I can drive it, but we're taking it out to the paint shop on Monday. I'm dropping it off, so unfortunately you guys are not going to see this. Next time you see this car, it's going to be fully painted. I haven't decided on the color. I have 3 colors in mind. I think I'm just going to pick it that same day, and well, I'll show you guys the finishing results for that. But we do have my title for this, and I'm really stoked. We did finish the hatch as well. Well, we didn't finish it, but we worked on it. As you can see, this thing looks really, really mean as well. So we have canards on both vehicles now. This one just needs a couple expensive parts to get running. This one's pretty much done. It is leaking a little bit of gear oil, but that's no big deal. As you can see, there's like a puddle down there of gear oil, so it's leaking quite a lot actually. Oh, there's another one. Yeah, it's leaking quite a lot, so I guess it's a good thing that it's going to the paint shop. Once I have it painted, then we'll fix the whole transmission issue. I'm pretty sure it's coming from the input shaft, but we're gonna worry about that once it's painted. So now that we're done with that, I'll see you guys next time. Like I said again, we're not going to see the Unos for a while, but that's perfectly fine because we can still work on the hatch. Can you guys see me? Probably not, it's still dark. Wow, this is why the G7X is horrible. There you go. But like I said again, it's perfectly fine because we can still work on the hatch. But we are done with the Unos. It's off to paint, it's off my hands. So next time you guys see that car, it should look really, really good. But until then, I'll see you guys next time.